Okay, here's a question where we need to solve for x. So to get rid of the square root, I need to square this side. If I do it on the left, do it on the right. So the left side will be 2x plus 14. The right side, you'll have two of these. You need to just use the distributive property or FOIL to get rid of those. So to get rid of brackets, so x times x is x squared. X times 2 would be a 2x. And then another 2x and a 4. Okay, so then I have 2x plus 14 is equal to that. Now, since I have a quadratic, I need to bring everything to one side. So let's subtract 2x here and subtract 14. So over here, I need to subtract the 2x and subtract the 14. So I'll have 0 equals x squared. Let's collect like terms. 2x plus 2x is 4x, minus 2x would be a positive 2x. Okay, and then 4, take away 14, negative 10. Now it's perfect, right ready to factor. Two things that multiply to 10, add to 2. That could be a problem. Like 2 and 10, but no, 2 and 5. But the difference is 3, not 2. That won't work. Okay, so if I can't factor, then away I go with the quadratic formula. B squared minus 4ac all over a couple of a's. All right. So x equals minus something plus or minus square root something squared minus 4 times a couple of somethings all over 2 times something. Okay, b is 2. So 2, here's another b, so that'd be a 2. A is 1 up front there, and c is a negative 10. Okay, and a on the bottom again is 1. So I'll get minus 2 plus or minus square root. 2 squared is 4. 4 times, negative 4 times 1 to negative 4 times negative 10 would be a positive 40. All over 2. Feeling pretty good? Okay, let's go down a bit more. X equals minus 2 plus or minus square root 44 over 2. Now 44 I think I can simplify. So it's minus 2 plus or minus square root 4 times square root 11 over 2. Or x equals minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 11 over 2. Almost there. And I can simplify further because every number of these coefficients is divisible by 2. An easy way to do it, a couple ways. You could factor out a 2 on the top and then cancel. Or you can just treat this as a common denominator. So it'd be minus 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 root 11 over 2. Here the 2's cancel, so you'd just have a negative 1. Here the 2's cancel, so you just have plus or minus root 11. That's a nice question. You got to be able to solve with the radical property at the top and then throw the quadratic formula in. Nice question. Hopefully that helps.